in. Got the popcorn stove there, sure. Everybody getting a good belly full over there? We got one person that's eating. All right, I'm going to introduce everybody right quick while I'm putting it up for the next song. It's a little bit different tonight. All the way down at the very end tonight on the guitar, that's Caitlin Humphrey from Pumpkin Center, North Carolina. Then right after her, playing that upright bass, that's Landon Murphy, playing the upright bass there. And we're so excited for Landon this morning. He woke up with a new hair on his chin this morning, so that's we're all excited about that today. And right beside me, and between me and him, is Brandon Joe Murphy, playing the mandolin and the fiddle. And then over here, to my left, beating and framing on this little wooden box,